Hey loves, it's Najatai. Welcome to my channel. If you are new, make sure that you hit that subscription button below me. Go ahead, hit it. And if you are an old subscriber, welcome back, girl. Before we get into this, fabulous beat, I want to say thank you so much, guys. I am already at 82 subscribers. Like, that is freaking crazy. Like, I just picked this thing back up. Like, I mean, I'm building them like crazy. Thank you so much for the support and love. I'm thinking about doing a giveaway. Actually, I am gonna do a giveaway. I don't know why I'm thinking. I'm gonna do a giveaway where I'm gonna give a basket to one of my subscribers once I hit 100 subscribers. Hopefully, I'm thinking maybe by the end of this week, I'll get 100 subscribers. I'm thinking maybe that's what's gonna happen. I don't know. Is it gonna happen, guys? Let's try and make it happen. Once I hit 100 subscribers, I want to do that for you guys. Remember to share with everybody else so that I can get to 100 subscribers so we can get these gift baskets out, y'all. Yes. But anyways, let's get into this beat. Today I'm doing this summer pink, hot, glowy, orange, everything, sunset. I don't know, it's a bunch of different things. You know how I do. If you want to see how I achieved this look, make sure you keep on watching, girlfriend.